Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna go get my dog. Probably inside because my brother let him in. Yeah, you're gonna be in my YouTube video, puppy. Boom. So this is my dog Momo. You can't see him that good because he's black. He doesn't do sneezing or anything. Oh, I know a way to make him sneeze. Get closer so they can hear you sneeze. Oh my God. Sorry guys. Sneeze. Sneeze. Can you sneeze? I'm gonna turn you off. Beep. Turn you back on. Beep. See, it fixes the problem. Okay, go subscribe to Infinite Lists. Cause you'll get to see more of dogs sneezing than my dog. Okay? Now you're on camera. Yes, the music is playing in the background again. You want to hear my sneeze? Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to be chasing my dog around to make him sit on the couch. 1 second. Got him. Should be burning in hell. Don't deserve. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. To be honest, my brother has never beaten sand. You want to say hi to them? You want to say hi to them? No, you just want to lay down. Well, just keep you updated. I have 3 dogs. Here's one of them. This one's name is Mojo. Mojo, get your head on screen. This is Mojo. Boy, wait 1 second. I gotta make myself sneeze. I wanna sneeze. Bye. 1 second.